How a small store became a billion-dollar empire. Today, we're going to explore the unbelievable rise of a warehouse store that changed retail forever. This is the story of Costco, how a tiny, risky idea in the 1970s slowly became a multi-billion-dollar global empire, with millions of loyal members, legendary deals, and a business model that competitors still fail to copy. Let's dive into the Costco story, the good, the bad, the surprising, and the genius behind it. One strange idea. Our story begins with two men, Saul Price, the originator of the warehouse store concept, and Jim Sinegal, the man who would later turn Costco into an empire. Before Costco existed, Saul Price opened a small store in San Diego called FedMart. His idea was simple, but crazy for the time. No fancy stores, no expensive displays, just huge savings passed directly to customers. People loved it. Later, Saul Price created Price Club, the first real warehouse membership store in 1976. It was located in an old airplane hangar. Not glamorous, but brilliant. Jim Sinegal worked for Saul Price for years. He learned everything: how to negotiate, how to treat employees, how to price products, and how to build trust. By 1983, Jim Sinegal and Jeff Brotman opened the first ever Costco in Seattle, Washington. They had one goal: create the cheapest, simplest, most ethical retail company in America. Did they succeed? More than anyone imagined. The genius behind the membership model. Costco doesn't make money the way you think. They aren't getting rich from the products on the shelves. In fact, Costco's rule is, we never mark up any item more than 14%. Meanwhile, most stores mark up items 30% to 50% or more. So how does Costco make billions? Memberships. Those yearly fees, $60 or $120 depending on the tier, are the true engine of the company. Here's the secret. Costco keeps prices so low, so fair, and so consistent that customers feel like they're part of a club, a loyal tribe, a smart group of insiders. People don't just shop at Costco. They believe in Costco. And that loyalty makes the membership model powerful. Even during recessions, especially during recessions, Costco grows. The magic of less. Most stores want you to stay longer. Most stores want you to buy more. Most stores overwhelm you with choices. Costco takes the opposite route. This is called the magic of less. Fewer products, larger sizes, faster shopping, lower stress, lower costs. A typical supermarket stocks 40,000 items. Costco stocks around 3,700. That's it. Why? Because every product must be excellent and cheap. If a brand raises their price, Costco removes them and replaces them with something better. This discipline is rare, and customers love it. Kirkland Signature, the secret weapon. Costco's private label, Kirkland Signature, might be the smartest move in retail history. Here's why Kirkland is so special. 1. It's not a cheap brand, it's premium. 2. It partners with top manufacturers secretly. Example: Kirkland batteries are rumored to be made by Duracell. Kirkland vodka? Many say it's from the Grey Goose factory. 3. It's almost always better value than name brands. Kirkland alone generates more than $50 billion per year. That makes it bigger than Coca-Cola in revenue. Think about that. A store brand, bigger than Coke. Costco understood something every modern company now tries to copy. If you control quality plus price, equals you control customer loyalty. Why Costco treats employees differently. Costco believes something simple. Happy employees equals happy customers equals long-term success. Unlike many retailers, Costco pays high wages, offers strong benefits, and promotes from within. An average full-time Costco employee earns far more than workers at most competing stores. Jim Sinegal once said, "If you want great service, take care of the people who serve your customers." And he proved it. Employee turnover at Costco is incredibly low. Employees stay for 10, 20, even 30 years. And that stability saves Costco millions. Loyal workers create loyal customers. The cult of Costco. Why people love it. If you've ever been to Costco on a Saturday, you know the energy. Families, carts full of giant items, free samples, people hunting for deals like it's a treasure hunt. Costco is more than a store. It's an experience, and it's designed that way. Features that people secretly love. The smell of fresh rotisserie chicken. The $1.50 hot dog plus soda combo. The bakery with giant muffins. The samples. The seasonal treasures. The feeling of smart shopping. Costco takes everyday shopping and turns it into a fun event. This emotional connection is priceless. Expansion. How Costco conquered the world. From one small warehouse in Seattle to more than 850-plus stores worldwide. Costco expanded slowly, carefully, and strategically. Key countries include Canada, Mexico, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Spain, China, a huge success, and soon even more China, in particular, shocked everyone. On opening day, Costco had so many customers, the police had to shut down the entrance because the crowds were too big. This proved that Costco's value-first model works everywhere, not just in America. The future of Costco. So what's next? Costco is investing in more international stores, more Kirkland Signature products, better online shopping, same-day delivery, luxury partnerships, even automobiles, travel, and insurance deals. Costco isn't slowing down, it's evolving. But one thing will never change. The company refuses to raise prices just to increase profit. They believe trust is more valuable than a quick dollar. And that philosophy keeps customers coming back. Why Costco became a billion-dollar empire. Costco didn't win because they were the cheapest. Costco won because they were the fairest. They respected customers. They respected employees. They respected quality. And today, Costco isn't just a store. It's a symbol of smart business, smart value, and smart leadership. This was the story of how one small idea grew into a global empire. If you enjoyed this story and want more business and success videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you